Join me on this beautiful tour of Pinang Peranakan Mansion. I'm Sean, Queen of DC, full-time solo traveler. On this channel, I share my travel tips and adventures from around the world. If that's your vibe, subscribe. The museum is dedicated to Penang's Peranakan heritage.
Raining water coming down. They love it. They will let water from freely cannot flow out. They design such a way the flow water will go inside, behind, and then turn and then go out. You see it now? Chinese won't say no wonder they are so rich. Now you understand, huh? Here's the one. Only Baba's family. Because those were the days, our grandfather's time, no family planning. They got many children. Anything more than 10, you are a hero.
After my tour, I took a stroll around the neighborhood. Chopper board, look what I discovered. I just walking by, I see these delicious high teas, and I'm gonna taste these to see how they are. They gotta be fresh, hot off the grill, out the grease. All right, let's get it. I decided to stop by this spot. I'm gonna try the pie tea and the nutmeg juice and see how that tastes. Hi, how you doing? I saw this and I said, let me stop by and taste. I've never tasted it before.
Our childhood memories.
Oh, really? This is old from your childhood memories?
Very old.
Wow. More than
20 years.
More than 20 years old? Wow. Oh, so you just eat something. I should have followed you. Wow, nice. Thank you for that history. Okay, this is the pie tea and the nutmeg juice. So we're going to see what this tastes like. Ooh, it's cold too. Yummy. And they told me to try the chapa tea. This is a pie tea. I thought it was sweet, but it's not sweet. It's more like egg roll filling inside a shell. It is very tasty. They give you 5 pieces. Very tasty. So refreshing, so good. It's refreshing. I like nutmeg juice. Y'all, this is typical Malaysian weather. It is burning up out here. I came, I saw. Now it's time for me to give me some juice. That nutmeg, oh, there's more stuff down there. That nutmeg juice was delicious. I need some of that right now. Give me some water. And woo-wee, because that sun is burning up. All right, I'll let you all later. After exploring the streets, it was time for a tasty meal. Okay, my girlfriend recommended this place. This is Roti Jala. So I said, let me see what it tastes like. This is where I ate, and the food, hello, the food was delicious. Thank you. They took care of me. Very yummy. I couldn't resist trying the lamb samosa, and it was scrumptious. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the bell for notification of new videos. Until next time, peace.